welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys how I made this stylish drop cape sleeve. This sleeve runs from one shoulder to the other shoulder. It's a very simple tutorial. If this is what you're interested in, kindly watch till the end of the video. I'm done making the dress already. This is a normal basic short dress. And I'm gonna head to fix the zipper and everything. So now what we'll be working with, the major thing we'll be concentrating on is the armhole measurement and the sleeve length of this dress. So I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to start from this end. I'm going to measure my armhole round. What he gave me is 8 inches. So now I'm going to measure the sleeve length. From that end, I'm going to take it down to where I want the sleeve to drop, which is around my hip area, a little bit below my hip area, and that's 56. That's how the sleeve will go. I went ahead to cut out the fabric that is 56 inches long, which is the sleeve length, and the width is my armhole measurement, my armhole, the one I measured, and I added extra 1.5 inch for the stitching allowance. Added extra 1.5 inch for the stitching allowance. This way it was supposed to be 8 inches, but I added extra inches for the stitching allowance. To show you the length, this is the length of the sleeve. This is what it will look like when you're done making the dress. So I'm going to fold the sleeve into two this way. That's, I'm going to cut the sleeve for both hands together. Just fold it this way. So now I will take my sleeve measurement. I will come down this way by 4 inches. Remember, when I'm marking this, it's at the open side. Then I'm going to use my free hand and curve it. Then I'll notch the middle, the center point of the sleeve. I'll open it up. This is 2 sleeves in one. Okay, so fixing it on the dress now. I'm going to take one part of the sleeve. First of all, this other end, you can decide to hem it or weave it. I'm going to weave mine. So I'm going to take one part of this sleeve and place it. The middle part will be meeting the shoulder part of this. Normal way of fixing your sleeve. I'm going to pin it round. After I'm done with it, I'm going to sew it round, and then this other side, this excess, I'm going to close it this way. I'm done with the first sleeve. Now the second sleeve, we're going to also take this end, the front side. I'm going to take it this way, and then just wash the way I'm fixing it. And you also pin it round, and then go and close it. And when I'm done, this is what it looks like, and it will just be flowy at the back this way to just drop on its own. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to the channel. So this armhole side, I close it by 3 inches. You can decide to close it by 1 or 2 inches, and this end you can also decide to weave it or hem it like I said. And with that, the dress is done. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, comment and share. See you all in the next one. Bye.